I'm too good for you. Oh, do you believe?